Everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and I do have another unboxing for you today. We're gonna do that in just a minute. What I also wanted to do is show you the items, the rest of the items that I did pick up from the Nordstrom sale. Now, I did already show my backpack that I got, which I need to use soon. I was gonna use it right away, but then I used one of my Lataniers, and then after my Latanier, I wanted to use a Coach because I haven't used one in a while, and it'll come, because it's a perfect summer bag. And I got some charms for that too that I showed. But the other items I picked up were, I picked up this, is it L'Octane? I'm not sure how it's pronounced. It's shower, it's like a shower oil. So you get the pump here and then the extra bottle. I bought this last year. It lasts so long that I just recently poured this bottle into this from my last set from last year. And I have this all brand new again.
Noël de douche.
And even Mick likes this. He's like, oh my gosh, I love that stuff you have in the shower to shave with. I'm like, do you mean my nice expensive almond oil? And he's like, yes. I'm like, although I did see this. So they got this $52 mark right there. I swear I paid more than that. And that's not a sale then if you're selling it to us for the price it's on here. But maybe I didn't. I didn't go back to completely check. And either way, I love this stuff. So I got it for the first time last year. Loved it. Got some more. I'm always looking for shampoos without buying necessarily from my salon. I do love my salon, but their shampoo is so expensive. And good shampoo is expensive anyways. One of the brands they sell, though, is this Moroccan oil. And I really like the oil, and I use that. So I just thought that the hydration shampoo sounded good, and it was on sale. So I bought myself one of those.
Look forward to using that.
You're not going to use that.
No?
No, you don't have any hair. Okay, then the last thing I picked up from the Nordstrom sale here was a pair of Uggs.
Ugh.
Now, I've said even in years and years ago videos that I would never be like an Ugg boot girl, and I never will be. But I do like their slippers. I have a pair of really sparkly ones and a pair of bright orange ones and a pair of hot pink ones.
How many pairs of feet do you have?
And just the one set.
Okay.
Then I have a pair of purple ones that have a strap that go around the heel in the basement. So I thought I'd get myself a pair that I could kind of wear like outside. So I got myself these.
Those are slippers?
Yeah. Well, no, they're shoes. But they're like slippers, but they're shoes. So I thought I'd try them.
Oh.
In other words, I'm saying I don't buy Ugg boots, but I do buy Ugg slipper shoes. So I was really excited to get these, and I will be using these in winter. And they look nice and warm and fuzzy. And I was just excited. They were on sale, and I liked the color, so I grabbed them.
You like gray?
It's kind of like a mossy gray. It's got a green to it.
Oh, okay.
Then I just thought I'd just show you, because I was excited to. Every once in a while, I don't know if you... Kohl's is pretty much over the United States now. I don't think it's all the way across the U.S., but if it isn't, it's darn near. It's a Minnesota-based company. It's just a department store.
Minnesota?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought they were Wisconsin.
No, I'm pretty sure it's Minnesota.
Hmm.
But it's either way, they're a department store like a Belk or well, not like a Belk. Belk actually sells some name brand. I mean, not that Kohl's doesn't sell name brand, but Belk sells some luxury stuff. But they're just a department store, and they always give coupons, like 10%, 20%, 30% off. Usually it's never off any of the name brand stuff, but their stuff. But they had a 40% off coupon they sent me the other day, and I thought, okay, I'm going to get some stuff because they had a few things I saw that I wanted. So I got this Diet Coke long sleeve tee.
Nice.
And then I got this one, Diet Coke just for the taste of it.
That collar is huge.
Yeah, it's kind of like an off the shoulder probably. But I don't
Just
know why
for
this
the
is on
taste of
here.
it.
I don't even know what that is. But yeah, I got this
Keep going.
just for the taste of it. Ladies French terry pullover.
French. Oh, that's why. It's French.
It's not, it's really not, well,
It's a
it's
terry.
kind of a cross between a sweatshirt and a
Only
and a
got one more
t-shirt.
row of sticky on there.
Thanks, honey. I'll get that. I still can't get it off.
We know that's why we
That's
love
why
you.
you asked.
Yep.
Because you knew I couldn't get it off.
Wheels on
There.
the struggle bus go round and round.
Stop. So, those were the items I got from the Nordstrom sale. And 2 things I got from the Coach sale. So then, oh my gosh. Oh. One brand that I found that I really like, and I think is really good quality, and the bags get so cheap on the pre-loved market, even better than like Dior, because Dior still can be pretty expensive. But there's another brand, and I bought 2 items from this brand, and I love both of them. So the RealReal, in all their niceness, constantly sends me, oh, we found these for you today. And
clearly it works.
well, I try not to. I try super
Nah,
hard.
yeah.
And then
We have different definitions of trying
then
super
all of a
hard.
sudden they'll have like this great deal on this item, and I'm like, okay,
Don't they have
okay.
a safer way for you to open that?
this is like a plastic tool. This should not hurt me. Okay, so they had this. This was under $200.
Oh my gosh. What a bargain.
It's like way cheaper than Coach.
Way.
And this is, I would consider, a luxury brand for sure.
We'll be
And-
the judge of that.
It's in a RealReal dust bag. But I just thought this was super cool. And the price. This is a leather bag.
Previously loved.
Yes.
Under $200.
Yes. I was confused because it's in here sideways. It is this gorgeous Burberry tote. Not too much on the branding, just the little thing. Looks like there's a little mark right there, which I can probably get off, or, oh, it already came off. So, here's the front, the side, the back, and there is a snap pocket back here, and it's got the,
Snap or metallic?
it's snap. Yeah, it's snap, not metallic. It's got the Burberry print inside.
Fancy. Magnetic is what I meant.
Um,
not metallic.
And so then look at this. So here's the inside. You have
You
this
have to show us a little more.
oh sorry. This zipper pocket here. Then this big pocket here. Zipper pocket in between. The big space over there. Pocket here, and
Feet.
feet.
Yeah, she's got a little scuff on this end.
Which
That we're
oh yeah, right there.
yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna I'll try some leather.
Conditioner maybe.
Yeah. But really, a black leather bag for under $200 from Burberry, and we know I love this because as soon as I saw it, it reminded me of this. So this one obviously is thinner, but it's very malleable, so it's not like I couldn't stuff this baby.
It looks fancy.
Right? With the little Burberry on it? The strip?
Wear that with your scarf in the winter and you're
Right.
set.
I know. Now you just have to get me a scarf.
How many more do you need?
I don't have any like this. But I just, because I love these kind of tote bags. And, hand carry. And so just like, yeah. Isn't it sharp?
Very sharp.
It's just like, here's the other 2 Burberry I have. Okay, they're kind of tucked behind me, but they're Boston bags. And I couldn't get over how nice they were and how inexpensive they were. And then when this came up, and I'm like, under $200 for this black leather bag. Are you kidding me? Yeah, yes, please. It says Burberry right up there. And I love this. So yeah, I'll give her a little condition right there. It's got some scuffing here too. So it needs some loving right there, but really, who cares? Oh, because I knew I saw that. But I'm like, you know what? Who cares? It's on the bottom. And half the time with this stuff, you clean them and they come clean. So I probably shouldn't be rubbing my hands all over it. I'll wash my hands when I'm done. But I'm just floored. And they didn't have a lot of pictures, but from what they looked, it looked good. The inside's perfect. It's not soiled at all. Let's see. The inside here and the thing is perfect.
In the thing.
Well, in the zipper pocket area stuff. I'm so excited because I just think this looks, I'm trying to zip up the side that has pockets. I just want to make sure the zipper worked. That zipper does too. Look at, isn't it like smart, right? Like smart.
Was that a design inside there? Or did it say Burberry inside the bag too?
It's got like a little, I don't know if it's a griffin or what it is.
Like Gryffindor?
But it's got little.
Okay. Is there anything on the other side? I thought I saw something over there too. No?
Just the same things.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But yeah, I just thought it was so smart. Like, it's not in your face Burberry, but if you know, you know.
Yeah, there's some subtleties to it.
Right. And then you open up and you get the nice
You get the full effect
surprise.
inside.
It's just really. So I'm like, okay, I could go to the outlet at Coach and spend $200 and get a Coach bag, or I can get a Burberry black leather bag for under $200. And since when do I like black bags? I don't know, but it's a problem. It's starting to change. Okay, I don't know that I'll ever like browns and neutrals, although Tanya from Bits and Bags showed this chocolate brown bag from another Australian brand that I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce because I wouldn't say it right.
Outback?
That's a restaurant.
Oh.
But she showed it, a bag from this place, and the chocolate brown was like, why do
Milk
I like
or dark?
That? Why am I drawn to that? She actually said it's like about a 70% dark
chocolate.
Yes, she said that.
That's why I asked, so don't give me no grief.
Yeah, so yeah, this is my latest. Isn't it awesome? I'm telling you, I've been enjoying watching for older luxury brands and have been really pleasantly surprised. This, you know what this reminds me of? And I don't know how old it is, and I don't know how I'm looking for something, that's why I'm looking around. I don't know how you check the ages on something. I mean, I guess I could do some Googles.
You gotta cut through it and then count the rings. Oh, that's a tree.
No, but it reminds me a little bit of, here it is. I have this old Chanel, and it is old. It's like from 91, and I like it because I had a son born in 91, and it reminds me.
How old are you?
It reminds me of that because this one too. It's just Chanel, and the only markings on this one is the interior. You just get this beautiful bright orange, and then it's got a little CC there, and then a bigger CC on the zipper. But I don't know why they just remind me very much of each other. I don't think this is that old, but
I think the newer one's a little sleeker, a little.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, I know. This is gorgeous. I mean, this I like because it's Chanel. It was from the year Gare was born, and I love the orange leather interior. I mean, come on, we know I love orange, but it's just such a smart little bag.
It is.
You know?
It seems smitten.
Yeah, I do, because it's very different than anything I have. I like bright and in your face, so the fact that I like this just kind of
subtle Burberry
is just
shocking.
Yes. And then I'm so excited because the inside is just, she's all business. I mean, she's business on the outside. She's all fun on the inside.
Right.
Isn't this awesome? So that's what I have. That's all I have for you today, but I was all excited. So, yeah. How about if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Trying to hit the 3,000 mark before the end of the year. So we're listening because right now it's EAA, Experimental Aircraft Association is in town, and over 750,000 people show up, and we hear planes like all day long. I know the blimp came in today, not that you would hear that, but there's fighters, a lot of fighter jets and stuff, but there's not a night show tonight, so we probably shouldn't hear a whole lot. But we always stop now when we listen, or we'll run outside and take a look at stuff. But all right, sorry, I digress. So
Squirrel!
if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. They're luxury and contemporary, generally handbag related content, but also other luxury items, perfumes, shoes, jewelry,
SLGs.
yeah, small leather goods. You're so good. And then every other Thursday, I do a book-related video, which will be this Thursday. I'm doing a collaboration, I guess I should say tomorrow, with Dawn from Dawn Loves
Stephen
Couture.
King. That's all they're going to talk about.
It is not. We're not talking about Stephen King.
Oh.
At least I'm not.
Okay.
At least not this time.
Okay.
And on Monday nights, I do a bag swap video where I swap.
Not during the day, at night?
Yeah, I swap from one bag, the bag that I'm currently using, to the next bag, and then I'll go over a little bit about each bag and also switch out my small leather goods, let you see those and talk a little bit about them. I'm over on Instagram as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.